Hi! In this video we are sharing one of the ways to save time in VivifyScrum. It's time to talk about the bulk actions you can perform on tasks on your boards. This is a quick and easy way of performing the same action or making the same changes to multiple tasks in one go. First, we'll show you how to multi-select your tasks. Most likely you've used multi-select in other apps, and VivifyScrum is no different. The basic commands are the same. Shift plus click or Shift plus up and down arrows to multi-select adjacent tasks, or Command and Control plus click for selecting non-adjacent tasks. Now that we've selected the desired tasks, we see here that a new button has appeared. The button is showing the number of selected tasks and total points. Once you click on this button, you'll see the available bulk actions. Let's say we want to assign Mark, the designer, to these selected tasks. Mark can also easily add labels he needs to these tasks. Now let's use the filter option for a clearer view. Pick Mark as an assignee and choose labels. Once again, select the desired tasks and move all of them with one click to the prepared column within the sprint. Other bulk actions you can perform are moving tasks to another board you have access to, mirroring the tasks, a feature we'll talk about in one of our upcoming videos, or deleting the selected tasks. And there you go. That's an easy way to bulk edit tasks in VivifyScrum.